We've had a lot of fun with the Christmas Farm clear stamp set, and I wanted to show some other ideas because we've used it in the past with our Windorama, and now we have some new cling designs with our little truck here and our other little car. And so just giving you ideas and things. I'll show you on this one. I stamped the little farm scene, and if you want, you can stamp it again, add some little trees, but if you just continue a little wobbly line all the way across, that will work. And here, as we've been playing with all of the pop-up card ideas, I used the number 3 in both directions here so that I could have the car back here and the little dogs in front over here. I wanted you to see it before I glued it together. And as you can see, I can cut out extra of the trees and pop them up as well. Creates a beautiful little Christmas farm. And then I created this one. You have your A2 card options. And again, you could stamp these into the whole plan of it, but I cut these out to just show you with my pop-up plan. And here I used the meadow edgers and my markers to create the little trees that way, and created some layers, and then the little dogs can sit here on the snowbank. And then playing with, in the slimline card, we explained how you can do an add-on piece like this that would allow you to create this tiered little extender here to pop up things that way. And this one, using the meadow edgers, I created more of the little trees and the snowbanks just with the marker and little bits of color, leaving a lot of it white to look like the snow.